Hello travellers, today I have a special announcement. We'll be renaming from Packing Less to Packing Large. And to commemorate the new name, we're going to be reviewing this equally large Jansport backpack. This bag's made from a durable nylon material and is surprisingly lightweight at only 170 grams or 1.6 pounds, which is actually a lot lighter than just about every other bag that we've reviewed on this channel. And so this makes it one of the best one bags for your travel needs. As you can see here, it looks very normal and reasonably sized on my back, and it's very sleek and won't draw any unwanted attention. This very bright, vivid green is sure to blend into most environments too, meaning that you can walk through crowds with ease. This bag is also very multi-purpose and can be used for a very wide range of activities. For example, hiking, you could fit months worth of supplies inside. For camping, you could easily carry what you need and then actually sleep inside the bag itself. It also fits my guitar, as you can see here, with room to spare. It's also great for shopping, and I was able to fit over a week's worth of groceries inside with plenty of room to spare. It's also pet friendly, as you can see here, and my cat does seem to love it, and may steal it from me if I'm not careful. Now, unfortunately, it's not all positives. There is no dedicated laptop compartment, so I would recommend using a sleeve if you're going to be carrying it in the bag. Or you could more conveniently pack your laptop into a separate laptop backpack and then pack that backpack into this bag. And so that way you can actually use this bag to store several additional packed backpacks ready for your trip. So instead of using packing cubes, you can pack backpacks to serve to organize the inside of this bag. The straps for this bag are surprisingly well padded and it's very comfortable to wear even for long periods of time. The top grab hand is also very large and useful. Unfortunately, there is no sternum strap or hip belt or external water bottle pocket, but I don't really use any of those things very much anyway. Overall, it's a very versatile backpack with many uses and an excellent bag for packing large. Do let me know in the comments how you would use this backpack yourself on your trip, and be sure to subscribe to keep up to date with future videos.